Okay, I'm Luna, and I'm going to be demonstrating how to do our Roblox Obby. I just did this right here. So these are the controls. You can hit stop to stop if you want to play the game. If you want to test it off, you can hit play and then stop if you want to stop. And then you can search up here like spawn point to get this. Is to put on the spawn points, and then you could search it Obby pot. I might give you some suggestions. Then I put this money one over there, and this one up here. Yeah, and you might need to put, and to get like a pot like this, if you want to make that, you could just hit this and then it would make a pot. And then I did the wall over here. Yeah, and if you want to set something up, and then there's different types if you want to model something. But if you're just starting, I recommend this. And then if you're clicking an Obby, you might. So it will always start off with this, and it will end up here with like a little play, and if I move this used to be it. Like you'll spawn with this, and this, it didn't work for me, so I just put in other spawn. You might need to put other spawns on. So if you like spawn something, what if I said 80 pots for spawn, like answer. So I might do this, and then you might want to move the sort, but if you delete this, you can't do it because this is the only start. I figured it out. So I put like one of these Obby things, and then over like somewhere in the sky, and I lost this, and then I tried moving this, and I deleted it. And then I said spawn point, and I said starting point, and it didn't work to spawn there first. So the only thing that you could use is this to start. And that tricked me, so I'm just warning you about that. Yeah, I spent just 30 minutes just trying to figure that out. So remember that's the only spawn point I can use.
You want to show everybody how you play it?
Oh yeah, so you'll have to hit this button right here, play. Then you just nicked Obby because it starts off like that, and then you can jump like. If you know how to play on Obby, that's obvious. Make sure you always get the spawn. Get the spawn always. Make sure. Or if you die on a very hard part that you just completed, like if you died on that's the hardest part in the Obby, because it's very skinny for first of all, and then you have to like jump. You have to get so you have to zoom in, and then that, and then land, and then that. So make sure you get the spawn. You have to make sure. Then this one you have to go like this, and then it's like this. Then this, and then this. I've memorized this because I've done that all before. And then to play Obby, and then make sure to get the spawns. You might get very frustrated with the spawn, so don't worry. I've done that. And what happened?
So you got hit by the lasers?
And make sure you get the spawn, or this will happen.
Oh, so you didn't get the spawns between there and where you died?
Yes. That's why
dang.
you need to get the spawns. And then you don't like the oof sound. Yeah. I don't know. So make sure you get it. Just jump on it a few times. But yeah, you have to jump, and then
Well, it looks like maybe that spawn point doesn't work or
Yeah.
something. You'll have to keep working on it. Well, good job, Luna.